So to my returning subscribers, thank you very much for always tuning in, and to my new subscribers, you are welcome. My name is Joy. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria, and if you've not subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe, like, comment and share. And guys, today we are making this very yummy and crispy coconut puff puff. Guys, I'm telling you for free, this is not your regular puff puff. Trust me, this puff puff recipe is just very simple and yet very yummy. Trust me, I'm not capping on this. Okay, so guys, first I'll be sieving my flour. It is very important you always sieve your flour to avoid dirt or any form of dirt at all. And after sieving, I'll be adding my ingredients, and guys, I'll be listing out the ingredients for this recipe and the accurate measurements for this recipe in the description box. So please do well to check the description box. Okay, so after adding my ingredients, I combined everything together, then go in with my coconut flakes. Now you can add your coconut milk if you have, but if you don't have, you can just make do of your coconut flakes. It will be very okay. And if you're adding coconut milk, there won't be need for you to add your warm water. So next, I'm adding my warm water, and I'll be adding my water bit by bit. My water is not so hot and not so cold, just lukewarm water. Okay, so guys, I'm adding my water bit by bit because I don't want too watery batter. I just want a not so running batter and not so thick too. So just like this, you're going to be seeing soon. And guys, I especially want to use this medium to say thank you. Thank you very much for always coming through. Thank you for your support. Thank you for the good and nice comments. I am super grateful, guys. I really don't know how to put this, but words can never be enough to say thank you. But I still have to say thank you, guys. And please don't forget to give this video a huge and massive thumbs up, and also share to your family and friends. Coconut puff puff is one snacks your family and friends will always thank you for. Trust me. So here we are. So I'll just add little water to loosen up a bit, and next I'm adding my coconut flavor. Tell me, what is coconut puff puff without coconut flavor? This ingredient takes your coconut puff puff to another level. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Okay, so guys, one thing I love most about this coconut puff puff is how crunchy it is outside and super moist inside, and this depends on the mixture. So if you're mixing, you have to be very careful with the quantity of water you're adding. Okay, and this is how your batter should look like after mixing. You can see how not so running and not so thick this is. This will help you get that very crispy puff puff. So I'll cover this for about 45 minutes to proof, then come back and heat my oil and fry. So guys, it's 45 minutes and we are ready to fry. As you can see, our puff puff mix is well proofed, doubled in size. So next, you want to make sure your hands are very clean because you're going to be scooping with your hands. But if you have a scooper, it's fine. But before I started this process, my hands were very clean. But since I'm going to be having a direct contact with my batter, I had to wash my hand. So this is one way to scoop your batter to your oil. And I don't know if I showed, I think I missed it. I missed the clip where I was showing you guys how to scoop. Maybe on my next puff puff recipe, I'm going to show you guys how to scoop your puff puff batter to get a very round shape. And you can actually see it from here, but it's not so visible. So after frying this, you just wait. Once your puff puff is golden brown, you will know your puff puff is ready to be pulled out. So you just pull it out. But now I'll have to stir this and stir so it doesn't start burning, or one side is not cooking and the other side. And guys, can you just see that our puff puff is ready? Guys, when I say this was super crispy and delicious, trust me, it was. This was super yummy. I love how the puff puff is so flavorful. I can feel the coconut in my puff puff, and also it's crunchy and super moist inside. So I so love and enjoyed this. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.